ChatGPT is easily becoming the hottest topic in the AI field. Unless you've been sleeping under a rock in a cave, you would know that everyone seems to be raving about it, and we don't want you to be left behind. So, what is ChatGPT? How does it work? And most importantly, how can you be one of the first few people to make money with it? In this video, we will be talking about all this and much more, so keep watching, you don't want to miss this. ChatGPT is a language model chatbot that has been developed by OpenAI. Contrary to search engines like Google, Yahoo, or Safari that give you a list of websites that you can get information from, you can just type in a question and ChatGPT can extract all the information out there, put it in a conversational style script, and present it to you. You can then continue to interact with it, ask more questions, get more details, and it will keep responding. The more you interact, the more it adapts to your style and starts to produce even more relevant content. ChatGPT has been developed in a way that it can understand what a person means by the question they ask. It includes an extra layer of RLHF, which is the reinforcement learning with human feedback technology. This element was missing in its predecessors and gave ChatGPT quite an edge. Its responses are astonishingly very human-like. But what's in it for us? How can you and I use it to make some money? We'll get to that in a minute, but first, let's clarify two important points. The first thing, anyone can use this. ChatGPT is not something that requires you to be a coding guru or a programming genius. It does not require any past knowledge or experience. You just need to know how to type and how to present your questions in a clear, direct manner so that ChatGPT can give you the most accurate and relevant answers. Secondly, it won't cost you a penny. All you need to do is search for it in Google, make an account, and you are good to go. Now comes the main part, where we tell you how you are going to use ChatGPT to start earning money. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button, because we will be bringing you all the juicy information about all the upcoming AI trends. The first way you can use ChatGPT is by using the scripts it can produce to start a faceless YouTube channel. For such a channel, usually a scriptwriter is hired who writes a conversational style script for you. After voiceover and editing, your video is ready to be uploaded, but with ChatGPT, you don't need a scriptwriter anymore. All you need to do is type in your question in the chat box and it will produce a script for you. For example, if you have a channel about natural disasters and you want to make a video about the famous tornadoes that have ripped through the USA recently, you can simply type in the box, "Make me a YouTube script for this title, Recent Famous Tornadoes in the USA." Press enter and ChatGPT will give you a very human-like script. If you want the script to be longer, you can type "Make it longer" and ChatGPT will give you a more detailed version of the previous one. You can even specify the amount of time you want your video to run for. Using that script, voiceover, and editing, you can upload your videos on YouTube and start making money. You no longer have to hire a scriptwriter or use your own time. Quick and easy. Another cool trick that it can do is it can give you ideas on what visual elements to use as well. For example, for your video on tornadoes, you can type, "Make me a YouTube script for this title, Recent Famous Tornadoes in the USA." Include visual elements that will illustrate how tornadoes are formed and what destruction they cause. In this case, ChatGPT will not just give you the script, but will also give you ideas on what image to use in what parts of the video. Secondly, it can help you find keywords related to the niche you are producing videos for. Going back to our previous example, you just need to go back to ChatGPT and type, "Give me keywords to rank on for the natural disasters niche on YouTube." And ChatGPT will start churning out keywords that will help your videos rank higher. The importance of this part cannot be emphasized enough. Since YouTube only gives you around 5,000 characters for a video description, the first 150 of them will show up in the search result. ChatGPT can give you those exact words that will attract the greatest number of audiences. ChatGPT can be great for marketing your products or services as well. Imagine you sell products on social media and you are in the DIY niche. You can go to ChatGPT and type, "Give me viral Instagram/TikTok ideas for the DIY niche," and you will have at your disposal some really cool and catchy ideas. If you are a copywriter and want to write a sales pitch or a proposal to make people buy a product, you no longer have to spend hours in front of your laptop screens coming up with ideas. Get rid of the writer's block with the help of ChatGPT. It can produce automated descriptions that will describe the products in the best strategic manner. You can specify to ChatGPT what framework you would like to choose: a PAS, problem, agitate, solve, BAB, before, after, bridge, or AIDA, attention, interest, desire, action. For example, you are a copywriter and you have to write about a new weight loss pill in the market. You can use ChatGPT to help you come up with persuasive introductions. For example, you can type, "Using the AIDA framework, write an introduction for an article about weight loss supplements and why buying them will help you lose weight." ChatGPT can be used to expedite the process of making apps. It can be helpful in planning and scaling an application. It can detect any errors in the code and can write code snippets in any language. Again, this can lead to saving time and cost for developers, helping them make more profits. After a developer has developed an idea about the app, they need a minimum viable product to get started, and this is where ChatGPT comes to our rescue again. It can assist you in finding features that must be included in your MVP to gain traction. For example, you can ask ChatGPT, "I am planning to make a ride booking app for people with disabilities. Generate a list of MVP features." Press enter and voila! ChatGPT will give you a great list of all the MVP features that your app must have in the initial stage for it to be a success. If you already have an app and it is lagging or being difficult for any reason, you can type the problem into ChatGPT, and again, it will present to you some great ideas and features that can enhance your app's performance. An app must be visibly appealing, and ChatGPT can help you come up with a good color scheme as well. Suppose you want to make a phonics learning app for children. You can type in, "Create a color palette with hex codes that will contain brand color, primary and secondary color for a phonics learning app for children." The color scheme given by ChatGPT will be thoroughly researched and will be super appealing to the target audience. Now imagine that your app is up and running. How can you make it more visible to people on Google or App Store? Usually, companies pay for optimization, but using ChatGPT, you can cut the cost and it can give you eye-catching, optimized descriptions. If you are starting a business, coming up with logos and slogans can seem like a massive headache, but it is one of the most important foundations for your business. No idea what to do? ChatGPT to the rescue. Imagine you have decided to start opening a new bookstore. You can ask ChatGPT, "Generate 10 business names and slogans for a new bookstore in central London catering to tourists." ChatGPT will present great ideas and slogans for you. Want to create a course and sell it online? ChatGPT can easily assist you in structuring your course. It can create outlines and advertising copy to promote your course, which you can then sell on platforms like Udemy and Skillshare, etc. For example, if you want to make a course on the basics of project management, you can tell ChatGPT to write an outline for a 4-week, 2 hours per day online course on the basics of project management. Need a cover letter and resume? Ask ChatGPT. Looking for a job can seem like a boring full-time job in itself. ChatGPT can relieve you of this pain and can help you optimize and update your LinkedIn profile. It can update your resume and can create customized cover letters for all the different roles that you want to apply to. Find maths tricky? Type in the question and ChatGPT can tell you how to solve it step by step. Always wanted to write an ebook or novel? Using ideas from ChatGPT and refining them can help you finish your book in no time. You can offer translation services by typing your text into ChatGPT and asking it to translate for you. Summing up, while ChatGPT can help you save time, energy, and money, one thing to remember, however, is that no matter how sophisticated AI is at the minute, it cannot replace a human brain. It is you who needs to have the motivation and the determination to get on the bandwagon and take advantage of this technology. And once you are all geared up, then ChatGPT can be used to lower your workload, give you optimized ideas, and cut the cost. Also, you will still need to tweak the information ChatGPT can produce to suit your niche and your style. A personal touch can go a long way. Through this video, we have just scratched the surface and given you a quick introduction to the different ways that ChatGPT can be used to help us make money. This is just the tip of the iceberg, as the world of AI is rapidly developing and will continue to evolve as time goes by. Make sure you remember to like, follow, and subscribe our channel, as we will keep bringing you all the updated information.